Hey everyone, there's a good news for everyone that Canva has come up with so many updates. One of the update is Magic Animate, and today I am going to talk about Magic Animate only. So let's see how to do that. Just start with a blank template and add a design over there, and then what you have to do is just go to this animate button and so when you click that, you will get this Magic Animate part available for you. Just click on it. See, it is giving you some recommended style. Let us go for that. See, you can see here, and your design is animated. The whole design is animated. It is just like magic. Now you can go for alternative styles also. There are so many styles. See here, let us choose the elegant. The animation is totally different, energetic. The next one is professional. Yeah, the next one you have another, again another. Check out the another. See, whichever you want to choose, you can choose it. Now, instead of doing the animation for each and every text or element, you can do the page animation with just a click. So that is the new learning today and the new update from Canva. So thank you for watching.